The seasoning in this is really good. Let's get this key lime LaCroix opened. I thought it would go good with the taco being a lime flavor. And my key lime wafers. So alright, little update on my health. I talk about my health on this channel, so I'll update you guys. I fired my doctor. These are the mild, like the little packets that you get from Taco Bell. The mild flavor. This one's not as good as the first one. It really just tastes like a plain cheese crisp. So, I fired my doctor because he was not treating me based on what my lab results were showing. I don't even know where he was going, but it was nothing to do with what my labs showed. Those smell really good. I'm worried they're gonna be really spicy though. My husband said the fire packets are not very hot, but there's a tiny, tiny bit of heat. A little bit. But these ones are my favorite. So I'm not a doctor, but based on my lab results and Google, I am very anemic. So I've got supplements that I'm on. I also have blood sugar issues. glucose monitor kit from Amazon. So I've been tracking my blood sugar levels, and my doctor did say I'm hypoglycemic, but I've been tracking for about a week, and so far I'm slightly hyperglycemic, except for today. For some reason. My sugars are a little low today, and I don't understand, so diet-wise, I am watching my carbs and sugar. That's it. So this is why I've got some sugar-free wafers. I don't really even like wafers that much, but I thought I would try the key lime. I have also discovered that I have what is known as water diabetes. This one has nothing to do with your blood sugar and everything to do with a hormone that regulates your water intake, and I'm missing that hormone, which means I have a huge electrolyte imbalance, which makes me feel incredibly sick. So I'm done drinking plain water, and I've bought those little Propel packets of electrolytes that you can just add to water. And so far it's helping me. Today, I just don't know why my sugars are a little low. And when I say a little, I mean they're like still within a normal range, but like they're lower than I've seen them. And I seem to be like really sensitive symptom-wise. Unless it's just a blood sugar, not blood sugar, the electrolyte imbalance that I can't seem to balance today. Trying to get some of these key limes. Wafers. Oh, my light is really bright today. So, oh, they smell nice. Oh, it's a texture. I don't know. I just never liked wafers very much. Like, whatever. But yeah, that's pretty good. I just never liked wafers because of that wafer. It reminds me of really gross ice cream cones. I've never liked them. I always like the waffle cones or the sugar cones. Not the gross plain, which is what that wafer reminds me of. So I'm trying to watch my sugar and my carb intake to try and balance my sugars, my blood sugar throughout the day. It's hella confusing. My doctor said I'm hypoglycemic. So far I'm showing slight hyperglycemia, so like pre-diabetes. And I also have reactive hypoglycemia, which means, especially if I eat a lot of carbs, that right after I eat, my blood sugar's up here. And your body releases insulin to bring it back to a normal state. But mine drops it too low. And then I feel sick. So I'm awfully confused on how I'm supposed to maintain all of those sugars and water diabetes and whatever. I'm trying. That's all I can do. So even though these are sugar-free, like, I just usually avoid sugar altogether, and so this is really sweet. So my favorite go-to drink besides the Propel right now is Seltzer waters because there's no sugar in them. And they're pretty dang good. I'm trying to finish this, but it's making me so bubbly. And no, none of these burps smell, by the way. They taste like key lime, though. Very slightly like key lime, obviously. For those of you that are still watching, this is my little budge. I was getting so hungry, so my belly is much happier now. For watching today's video. Don't forget to give